So good morning everyone. So we're here at Roy Plaza Valencia para subukan natin kung kasya ba talaga sa Noche Buena ang 500 pesos. Samahan niyo ako, let's go. First, sa isang pamilya namin ng dalawang anak, may mama at may papa, kailangan natin ng isang So we're trying to look for a more cheaper or cheaper pasta. I think we have Fiesta pasta here. It's only 83.40. One pasta. We're going to look for a much more cheaper sauce as well. So we have here, it's a Fiesta sweet with Parmesan cheese. It's only 57.50. So it's more cheaper compared to the other brand of spaghetti sauce. Para naman sa corned beef, we have Australian Carne Norte here. It's 29 pesos. So I get 3 of it para spaghetti natin. At dahil spaghetti ang niluluto natin, kailangan natin ng nam-nam. So joke. Much more cheaper Nestle cream or all-purpose cream here. So we have Angel all-purpose creamer. It's only 47.20 compared to the leading brand which costs 70.65. So we're going to get this one. Only one, right? I think this one is enough. Since we only have 1 kilo of pasta. So we need evap. What do you think? So we need one. Ayaw naman natin tipirin natin pamilya, kaya isagad na natin isang evap. And then we need hotdog, I guess.
Yeah.
In the frozen area or frozen goods. So maghanap tayo ng mas murang hotdog para pang sahog sa ating spaghetti. What about this one? I think this one is enough. Of course, dahil Pasko, kailangan din natin bigyan ng panulak ang ating pamilya. Kaya, kukuha tayo ng isang masarap pa sa kita. Isang Coke. Cheese. 45 pesos. So go na to compared sa Eden. Nag-name drop talaga na. So susubukan natin kung kasya ba ang 500. Isang problema tayong kinakaharap. Itong lahat ng ito, I think pang isang putahe lamang. So I guess the 500 pesos Noche Buena package by DTI, I guess it's not enough for a family of 4. So, sino niloloko niyo? Bayad na tayo. Ihanda natin ang 500 pesos. Kaway na.
Sensor.
Ang sinusubukan po namin kung kasya ba yung 500 pesos para sa Noche Buena. Ito po ay tawang pang ano lamang sa aming paaralan, kaya kami po ay humingi ng pauban. Lumagpasa siya. Bagsak tayo. So hindi talaga siya kasya. Spaghetti pa lang lagpas 500 na.